In this module, we will look at the basic principles of statutory interpretation. It is the ordinary function of the court to interpret statutory provisions, which is to give meaning to the provisions and to apply them to the facts that come before the court. Problems occur when words in an act or piece of delegated legislation are unclear or even ambiguous. Canons of Interpretation. Judges have developed a complex network of rules for statutory construction, which is designed to assist in the proper application of the law. The canons of interpretation are the literal or plain meaning rule, the golden rule, or the mischief rule. The literal or plain meaning rule is that the intention of Parliament is to be found by giving the words their ordinary and literal meaning, which means that so long as the words of an act are clear, the court must follow them, even though they might lead to a manifest absurdity. In some cases, this has even led to the court going against the intentions of Parliament, such as where the party could not be convicted of an offence of impersonating any person entitled to vote where the person impersonated was dead. The judge is thus subservient to the will of Parliament. In many cases, Parliament will include within an act definitions of key terms so as to avoid any ambiguity, uncertainty, or absurdity. In the absence of such a definition, or where a particular term is not defined, the court may choose the plain meaning rule as a guide for the meaning of such words. However, as we'll be seeing, it is difficult to maintain such constitutional purity in the face of judicial determination to apply the law as humanely and fairly as far as it is possible to do so.